Hello from Slovenia again. In my previous video I used this US products mixture for my pouring medium, Fllod floetrol and Fllod emulsabond mixture. The Doris from Doris ATDF Designs sent me, and I have colors left. This is greenish blue, Amsterdam, and I have pearl white, that it's Vallejo pearl medium, and Amsterdam white, and Amsterdam permanent red violet, and Amsterdam azo yellow deep. And I will do a flip cup on this 8x8 round canvas. But in my this week Sunday live at 4 p.m. I will play with these US products for a flower dips, for other techniques, maybe mix it with something else, we will see. But you know, pearl white, it's just reacts the opposite way as cell activator for blooms, so you have to have color on top of the pearl white to create lacing. So I will start with this greenish blue, and then I will not add a lot of pearl white because it can take over, and a layer of this permanent red violet, and I have some black for flow extender left. If I will see when I will flip this that I need it. And I don't know if I'm adding enough pearl white because I never done that, so we will see how it will work. It could be a disaster, but it's always nice to experiment. I love to experiment, so so a lot of you asking about Marina and Dota. They are both okay, and of course Daddy Luca too. They were here on visit 2 days ago. She's just the sweetest baby I saw, probably. I don't know. No, all my granddaughters are, but when another one comes, you think that it's just, you know, because they are so cute when they are little babies. So because I have floetrol, American Fllod floetrol, and pearl white mixture, I think that I will get some cells, natural cells or lacing without adding silicone, but we will see. You never know if you don't try. So here it is. This is 3-ounce cup, and I will flip this on canvas. Oop, I just have some plastic thing there. So I'm curious, are you? And as I said, I have some black mixed with the same pouring medium if I think that I will need it for a flow extender, kind of, if I will think that I don't have enough paint there. So, and I will probably flip and or something, so let's see what will happen. Oh my God, do you see this? I hope that you see. I'll try to, oh, I can't bring you closer. Do you see that? Cell explosion. Oh my. I will add some black around just to help this paint to flow, because I don't think that I want stretch this really bad. I don't know. So let's walk this baby a little bit. Maybe I should have just stretch it out. I don't like that yellow thing there, so I will pour this off. And now I don't like that big cell, yellow cell there. And I think that I'm done. So interesting. And I will torch it because, you know, it just so interesting. Maybe I should even do, you know, just I could use less paint. So this is definitely, I wonder how this will look just in black and white. I have one canvas that it's you know, ruined, and I can try that too, because I really want to see. And in the meantime, this one will wait. So I have one 8x8 canvas that I did reverse flower dip just with floetrol, and it just, you know, didn't turn out. So I will use that one to pour over. And I will just add black and white in just 1 cup. Black and pearl white, I should say. So I will add just black. Hope that that I will have enough paint. And pearl white and black. And pearl white, quite a thick layer this time, and black. And pearl white. And I will add add another layer of black, and this will be it. Probably. Black on top. Okay. Let's flip this on. And I will just add some black just on the surface this time. So let's do that. Oh my God. I really like that. Let's tilt this. Interesting. Interesting. It's always interesting to play with products, you know, different products, new products. So I will take it down for a close-up. So first, let's look at this one. Really interesting. Maybe it was a lot of glare there. These ribbons with different color and some lacing on top. It's hard to show on camera. So it is interesting. Maybe not the best colors, but I have those colors mixed up. So, and here is the black and white one. Quite interesting too. Some cells. But I still don't like these little cells with, I don't know from where. So have to play some more. So if you are interested in this that I do with American products, you can, you know, join me on this Sunday 4 p.m. on my live, or check some other videos. You have quite some to watch. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.